How to log out on WhatsApp. Now here's the thing. If you tap these three dots at the top right corner or even go to settings, you can't find or see any options there that says log out. What are you going to do here is to simply remove or delete your application first. See that? If I'm going to scroll here, there's no log out option here. So I have to exit this WhatsApp application and then I have to remove or uninstall this application first and then log in again using the same account or other account. But before that, you should have to back up everything here, your files, your messages. And to do that, you have to go to the three dots, go to settings, and then go to chats. And once you have saved or created a backup for your files, then you can simply long press this one and then click remove. Also, you can go to your settings, go to app management, go to app list, look for WhatsApp application, and then uninstall this one. That is, of course, after you have created backup for your files on WhatsApp. Okay, so once you have uninstalled or removed this application, all you have to do is to simply install it again. Okay, go to the Play Store and install this WhatsApp application again, and then open this application. So as you can see, all I have to do is to go to the Play Store and then click install. You should see an install button here. Okay, and then once done, click open. And then you have to type or enter your information here. It can be same account or other account. And then WhatsApp will ask to restore your backup. So all you have to do is to tap that one, and then you can enjoy using your WhatsApp again. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.